In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Suno AI to transform your vocals into a complete song. Whether you're a seasoned musician or just someone looking to experiment with their vocal recordings, Suno AI makes it incredibly easy to create a fully produced track in just a few simple steps. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to log into your Suno AI account. If you don't have one yet, it's quick and easy to set one up on their website. Once you're in, navigate to the platform's main dashboard, where you'll find an array of creative tools at your disposal. Today, our focus will be on one specific feature, the Voice to Song tool, which you can find on the left side of the screen. Click on this, and it'll open up a new project for you to start working on. Now, the fun part begins. You can either record a new vocal track directly into the platform or upload an existing file from your device. Make sure that the vocal track you are using is of good quality, clear, and free of background noise, as this will make a significant difference in the final output. If you're recording a new track, simply press the record button and sing away. After you're done, press stop, and your track will be saved automatically. With your vocal track ready, it's time to add some musical flair. Suno AI gives you the creative freedom to choose from a variety of musical styles for your song. Maybe you're in the mood for some smooth jazz, or perhaps a more upbeat pop vibe suits your vocals better. Whatever your preference, simply browse the styles available and select the one that matches your vision for the song. Once you've made your choice, Suno AI will work its magic and generate an instrumental backing track that complements your voice. After the instrumental track has been generated, you can listen to the preliminary version of your song. This is your chance to make any tweaks or edits to ensure everything is just how you want it. Maybe you need to adjust the balance between your vocals and the music, or perhaps tweak the volume levels here and there. Suno AI provides an intuitive editing interface that makes these adjustments a breeze. Don't forget to preview your song several times to ensure it meets your expectations. Finally, once you're satisfied with your track, it's time to finalize and export it. Hit the save button to ensure all your hard work is secure, and then download your completed song to share with friends, family, or the world. Whether it's for personal enjoyment, portfolio building, or just trying something new, you've now successfully created a song using Suno AI's incredible technology. Remember, this platform is all about exploring and having fun with music.